So hello guys, this is Nikhil Patil and you're watching NP Mixup channel. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Actually, this video is about my trades uh, during London session, and today is 20th July 2026, and let's get into my laptop screen and I will show you the trades which I took today during London open session. So please, if you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and follow me on Instagram. And see you guys. See you at the end of the video.
First, I will say the exact reasons behind why I took the trade, and I took multiple trades in both directions. I will first tell you the reason behind the trades. So, at first, this was the Asia session high, okay, and this was Asia's low. So what I was looking at the time of taking the trade was I was looking the price to go down a bit and create a trap for the buyers and then attack the Asia high. But I was waiting for that. So and there was an hourly FVG present on hourly time frame. Here you can say the hourly time frame. Here we have this 1 hour FVG too. So considering that, I was looking for a short trade from this FVG to this Asia low, so that I can be in a trap, right? So but yeah, I took the trade here, but eventually it did hit my stop loss because the market don't want it to go down to the Asia low, and means it does not want to trap the buyers. So considering that, I changed my direction, and once it went above this, I targeted this 1 hour. Sorry, I targeted this Asia high here. So I took multiple trades here, and I closed it. Actually, I took a trade here and closed it around this area. Actually, it was a scalp trade. I will show you in a minute. Actually, I took a trade here buy side, and I closed it around here, and then actually my target was here, right? So actually I wanted to take some scalp trades till here, so took some positions here, but eventually it didn't go there. So I just wanted to hold it a bit because I was knowing that it's gonna retrace a bit to the downside, and then uh, it's gonna hit the upside. Yes, I have. So I waited till it comes here, and I added some positions here too. And then I closed all my positions around 940 here. Okay. And hey, right now the price is here, but okay, fine. No issues for me. I am done for the day. And this was the logic complete. This was the complete logic behind my trade. So just jump. Uh, let me just jump into this trades executions. Okay, so here are my trades executions. So here I shorted, but eventually I was unable to uh, end up the trade in good profit. Actually, it hit my stop loss, and then I went long here and closed some here, and again went some with two micros and then sold them here, and again bought two micros here. Wanted to scalp till 940 950 range, but it went sideways. I waited, and when it retraced down, I added into my position with two more contracts, and I sold one here and 1 year and 2 years. So these are my executions for today. So this is the London session which I traded. Okay, and let me show you my today's PNL. So this is my today's PNL, $616.20. This is an ADF account. Yes, it's an ADF account. Yeah. So this is the PNL for today. Okay. So I'm done for the day today, and I'm done for the day today. I will not be looking at charts today. So I'm focused on tomorrow's trades. So till then, I will update you guys regarding my trades tomorrow too. Even if it's a loss, also, even if it's a profit, I'm gonna uh, tell the story of my trades, story of my tomorrow's trades. And till then, bye guys. See you. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Hit the bell icon, and let's see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Be happy.